high energy rates cutting into your crypto mining profits? Introducing Terra Hosting, your solution for first-class, hassle-free crypto mining. At Terra Hosting, we specialize in hosting services tailored for GPUs, ASICs, and AI machine learning. Say goodbye to skyrocketing electricity bills and noisy, heat-producing hardware. Our unique service offering combines low electric rates with a community blockchain-oriented data center, while ensuring your equipment stays safe and secure. With Terra Hosting, you simply set it and forget it. Contact us today to learn more and get answers to all your questions. Terra Hosting. Trust as a service.
Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. I think I made a mistake, but I bought 6 more Radeon 7s from Mining Chamber. He's another crypto mining YouTuber. He gave me a little bit of a deal. I bought these for about, I think it's about 1,600 USD for all 6. And I know, a lot of you guys are probably yelling at your screen right now, Red Panda, why did you buy more Radeon 7s? These cards always code 43. They're unrepairable. And you know what? I know that. And I have an addiction to buying GPUs. And I know recently I just did the video of my other 6 Radeon 7s that are mining Dynex right now, which is quite amazing. Okay, really efficient for Dynex specifically. Disclaimer, I am not promoting anyone to go out and buy Radeon 7s, okay, just for Dynex mining, all right? That is obviously a huge risk. And another thing, these cards are prone to code 43, basically brick, and they are unrepairable. There are many high-profile GPU repair people out there that were unable to fix Radeon 7s. So if you do decide to buy one of these on the used market, these are not new. These are like 5-year-old GPUs. They don't sell them new anymore. There's just on the used market, all right? These GPUs are seriously like glass cannons. Okay, so Mining Chamber, thank you for the Radeon 7s here, my friend. The shipping was just great, just peachy. Now, upon inspection, all right, Mining Chamber wanted me to obviously open it up, and you know, I was just playing around with the fans. I don't know if some of you guys saw my previous video on these. Some of the fans are completely dead, and they're making like a noise right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but a lot of them are not moving. That one's not moving, that one's not moving, that one's not, oh, now it's moving, but it's making a noise. This one's not moving. The Octominer CPU cooler is also kind of damaged, and that's it. Yeah, okay. Now, Mining Chamber. How many of these fans are dead? So this one seems a little bit stuck. This one's good. This one's good as well. Oh yes, this. Okay, this ASRock Radeon 7, which is, I think, made in Taiwan. So I believe this is a Samsung card. Actually, I think they're all made in Taiwan. I was reading the sticker on the back. But yeah, this one, the fans seem to be definitely broken on this one. Now, if we go to the next one. Yeah, that one's kind of, this one's hard. Okay, this one's a little better. But this is hard stuck. Yeah, this hard stuck. I bet you those fans barely move. Now that one's good. That one's good. Oh, that one's good. This one's okay. Yeah, this one's okay. Yeah, made in Taiwan. Yeah, made in Taiwan. Okay, let me check the other two. Okay, mining chamber. Man, these cards, man. I feel like I've already code 43 them, but he asked me to also try them. Okay, this one's good. Let's check this one. This one is okay. This one's stuck. This one's okay. This one's really okay. Now the last one here, ASRock Phantom Gaming. Yeah, this one's hard stuck. Probably doesn't work. This one's a little better. This one is also hard stuck. Okay, so a lot of fans that are broken. Man, I'm gonna have to... yeah, I'm gonna have to buy like 12 Radeon 7 fan kits. Replace all the fans on these Radeon 7s, and then by the time I do that, on each one, I'm probably gonna code 43 a Radeon 7 when I change out the fan, take out the cooler, do all that stuff, change the thermal paste, or actually I think it's a thermal pad. Oh my god, you know what? I'm not even gonna bother. I mean, running Dynex on these, it's generally pretty cool anyway. I got one that's 64 degrees, but that's because I didn't put on the lid. So I guess once the Octominer fans would start rushing the airflow through, it'll be much better. Okay, I'm running out of time because as of the time of recording this video, I think it's been like, I've recorded like, I don't know, 6 or 8 videos today. Because I'm leaving tonight for a 1-month-long trip. I'm gonna explain that in another video. But this video was just to let you guys know, I guess once I come back, I will install these cards and get them mining. Hopefully Dynex will still be okay to mine after about a month. Probably not. I bet you everything's going to change and AMD cards will not be great anymore. You know, Kapow coins are not going to be profitable. But anyways, okay guys, that's really all I want to do in this video. Let me know your thoughts. Really, nothing else to it other than mining chamber. Thank you so much for these, man. I really love the Radeon 7s. Seriously, these are close to my heart, as all of you know. I've played with the Radeon 7 for quite a while now. I think for over the past 4 years. And for anyone that's been on my channel since the beginning, I have covered the Radeon 7 like profitability back then. I was mining a lot of different coins with one of them. And yeah, that was good times. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. I was just thinking, should I do a 12 by Radeon 7 rig in an Octominer X12? Oh my god, that would be insane. But just watch, gonna have like a power surge, and then there's gonna be like, all of them are just gonna code 43. That would suck. Let me know what you guys think. I don't want to code 43. I think it's best I split up the rigs so that I don't have the potential to surge, power surge, or code 43 any of these GPUs. Let me know what you guys think.